everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 23. We are Gujarati. So let's begin with question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. Number 1. When was Gujarat state established? Options: A. 31st May 1950, B. 1st January 1960, C. 1st May 1960, D. 31st January 1950. Answer is C. 1st May 1960. Number 2. Which of the following mountains is located in Kutch? Options: A. Bardo, B. Arasur, C. Chotilo, D. Lilio. Answer is D. Lilio. Number 3. Where in Gujarat is the Gudkar Sanctuary located? Options: A. In the Gir forest, B. In the Polo forest, C. In the Little Rann of Kutch, D. In Dang. Answer is C. In the Little Rann of Kutch. Number 4. Which dam has been built on the Sabarmati River? Options: A. Kadana Dam, B. Vanagbori Dam, C. Dharoi Dam, D. Ukai Dam. Answer is C. Dharoi Dam. Number 5. Which of the following rivers is known as an inland river? Kumarika. Options: A. Banas, B. Bhadar, C. Bhogavo, D. Vatrak. Answer is A. Banas. Number 6. Which type of crop is wheat? Options: A. A kharif crop, B. A zaid crop, C. A rabi crop, D. A cash crop. Correct option is C. A rabi crop. Number 7. Which stepwell vow of Patan reminds us of the Solanki dynasty? Options: A. Adikadi stepwell, B. Rani stepwell, C. Sati stepwell, D. Meenal Devi's stepwell. Answer is B. Rani's stepwell. Now, question number 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. Gujarat is a state that has coastline that is about dash kilometers long. Answer is 1600. Number 2. Dash is the largest river of Gujarat. Answer is Narmada. Number 3. Dash is the tallest mountain of Gujarat. Answer is Girnar. Number 4. Dash is the only hill station of Gujarat. Answer is Saputara. Number 5. The Dash dairy is located in Palanpur. Answer is Banas. Number 6. The city known as Dash, located in Bhavnagar district, is a place of Jain pilgrimage. Answer is Palitana. Number 7. The one and only bird sanctuary in Gujarat is Dash. Answer is Nal Sarovar. Number 8. The Amul dairy, located in Dash, is famous all over Asia. Answer is Anand. Next, question number 3. Put a tick mark in front of the statements that are true and a cross in front of those that are false. Number 1. The city of Surat is located on the banks of the river Tapi. Answer is true. Number 2. The total number of districts of Gujarat state is 36. Answer is false. Number 3. Gujarat has a coastline that belongs to the Indian Ocean. Answer is false. Number 4. Gujarat state the ninth rank in population in the country. Answer is true. Number 5. The neighboring state of Rajasthan is to the north of Gujarat. Answer is true. Number 6. The Kesar mangoes of Junagadh are appreciated all over India. Answer is true. Number 7. Groundnut is a rabi crop. Answer is false. Number 4. Match the following columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from the column B in the answer column. Number 1. The tallest mountain of Gujarat. Answer is number 5, Girnar. Number 2. The largest river of Gujarat. Answer is number 4, Narmada. Number 3. Mountain of Kutch. Answer is number 1, Mount Bhujio. Number 4. Mountain of Saurashtra. Answer is number 2, Mount Shetrunjo. Next, match the following number 2 into that. Number 1, Gudkhars. Answer is number 1. Answer is number 4, Little Ran of Kutch. Number 2, lions. Answer is number 5, Sasan Gir. Number 3, birds. Answer is number 1, Nal Sarovar. Number 4, bears. Answer is number 2, Jeshore Sanctuary. Now question number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. How many districts are there in Gujarat state? Answer. There are 33 districts in Gujarat state. Number 2. In which part of India is Gujarat located? Answer. Gujarat is located to the west of India. Number 3. Which union territories are located in Gujarat? Answer. The union territories of Diu, Daman and Dadra Nagar Haveli are located in Gujarat. Number 4. Write the names of any 3 districts of Gujarat from which the Tropic of Cancer passes through. Answer. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Kutch, Mehsana and Sabarkantha district of Gujarat. Number 5. Which gulfs are located on the coastline of Gujarat? Answer. The Gulf of Khambat and the Gulf of Kutch are located on the coastline of Gujarat. Number 6. Which districts of Gujarat receive the highest rainfall? Answer. Down and Valsad district of Gujarat receive the highest rainfall. Number 7. Which districts of Gujarat receive the lowest rainfall? Answer. Kutch, Mehsana, Patan and Banaskantha of Gujarat district of Gujarat receive the lowest rainfall. Number 8. Which are the 3 main rivers of Gujarat? Answer. The Narmada, the Tapi and the Mahi are the 3 main rivers of Gujarat. Number 9. Where are lions found seen in Gujarat? Answer. Lions are found seen in Gujarat only in the forest of Sasan Gir, the Gir National Park. Number 10. Where are the wild asses known as Gudkhars found seen in Gujarat? Answer. The wild asses known as Gudkhars are found seen in the Little Ran of Kutch in Gujarat. Number 11. Which is the largest port of Gujarat? Answer. Kandla is the largest port of Gujarat. Number 12. Which district is the largest in terms of area in Gujarat state? Answer. Kutch district is the largest in terms of area in Gujarat state. Number 13. Which district is the smallest in terms of area in Gujarat state? Answer. Dang district is the smallest in terms of area in Gujarat state. Number 14. Who is known as the pioneer of the White Revolution? Answer. Dr. Verghese Kurian is known as the pioneer of the White Revolution. Number 15. Which mountains are located in Kutch district? Answer. The Kalo Dungar mountain, the Dhinodhar mountain and the Lilio mountain are located in Kutch district. 16. Name 3 places in Gujarat where the facility of ropeway has been developed. Answer. The facility of ropeway has been developed at Pavagadh, Ambaji, Saputara, Girnar, etc. in Gujarat. So here we complete the solution of question number 5. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with the next part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.